Welcome to today's session on Mass Spectrometry Experts in Extractables and Leachables testing, or E&L testing. In the world of pharmaceuticals and medical devices, safety isn't just a requirement, it's a responsibility. And ensuring that packaging and devices don't release harmful chemicals into medicines is at the heart of that responsibility. Think about it this way. When you take a life-saving drug or use a medical device, you expect it to be pure and safe. But what if tiny, invisible chemicals from packaging or components slowly migrate into that drug? That's where E&L testing comes in. At ResolveMass Laboratories, experts use advanced mass spectrometry to identify these hidden risks and help companies stay compliant with regulations, all while keeping patients safe. So what are the key things to know here? First, E&L testing isn't optional. It's essential for device and packaging safety. Extractables are the compounds released under extreme lab conditions, while leachables are what actually migrate during a product's real shelf life. Both need to be carefully monitored. Mass spectrometry plays a central role because of its unmatched sensitivity, able to detect even the smallest traces of harmful compounds. And with global guidelines from agencies like the FDA and EMA, having the right testing partner is critical. That's why companies rely on experts who understand both the science and the regulations. Now, let's pause for a second. Why does E&L testing require true experts? Because this isn't just about ticking regulatory boxes, it's about protecting people. Imagine contaminants like heavy metals, nitrosamines or phthalates sneaking into a drug. The risks could be devastating. Mass spectrometry experts can detect these compounds at incredibly low levels, distinguish between extractables and real leachables, and even identify unknown structures. This expertise helps prevent recalls, protects patients, and builds long-term trust in pharmaceutical products. Here's an easy way to think about it. Extractables are like a stress test. We heat, shake or soak packaging materials to see what could come out under extreme conditions. Leachables, on the other hand, are what actually end up in the drug during its normal storage and use. Both matter, but leachables have a direct impact on patient safety. At ResolveMass, both sides of the story are studied thoroughly, so manufacturers and regulators get the full picture before any risks reach patients. And of course, regulations around E&L testing are very strict. Agencies like the FDA, EMA and ICH demand advanced testing with tools like LC-MS/MS, GC-MS and high-resolution mass spectrometry. But it's not just about having the tools, it's about knowing how to interpret complex datasets. ResolveMass partners with companies to simplify this process, offering services like nitrosamine analysis, bioanalytical quantification, PFAS testing, and of course, comprehensive extractables and leachables studies. What really sets a lab apart is its capabilities. At ResolveMass, experts use high-resolution instruments like Orbitrap, TOFMS, and triple-quadrupole systems. Beyond that, specialised assays in proteomics, lipidomics and biomarker discovery add another layer of value. Projects are supported from early method development all the way through regulatory submissions. And with experience across therapeutic areas, from vaccines to oncology, the results are not only reliable, but tailored to the unique needs of each client. So, Why do leading pharma and biotech companies choose ResolveMass for E and L testing? The answer lies in 4 things: experience, expertise, credibility, and compliance. The team combines deep scientific and regulatory knowledge, world-class scientists, globally recognized credibility, and regulator-aligned GLP-certified labs. That's why they've become a trusted partner for safeguarding products and helping companies speed up approvals without compromising safety. Mass spectrometry also opens the door to advanced applications in E and L testing. For example, ultra-sensitive detection of nitrosamines, which are potentially carcinogenic. Residual solvent testing ensures manufacturing impurities don't end up in final drug products. Pesticide screening protects herbal drugs and excipients. And cutting-edge omics platforms support biomarker discovery and toxicology studies. All of these services connect back to the same mission: patient safety and regulatory confidence. As we wrap up, the message is clear. E and L testing isn't just a regulatory checkbox, it's a vital safeguard for patients. Mass spectrometry experts play a central role in ensuring medicines and devices remain safe, effective, and compliant. At ResolveMass, experienced scientists and advanced tools come together to deliver trust, accuracy, and peace of mind. If you're looking to start your own E and L testing project, this is the right time. Reach out and let's work together to ensure that every product that reaches a patient is as safe as it was designed to be.